Here at Skirting World, we have a lot of skirting board profile designs to choose from. Common designs in the UK. You may have seen some of them before, like the Ogie 1, Taurus and Bornose, as these are pretty common designs for the industry. They are readily available for most large DIY outlets, and we also produce them. This is because a lot of customers end up having some kind of work done inside their home, and they end up needing to match or replace their existing skirtings. But we also have a lot of very different designs that other companies don't offer. Our Grooved 1 Bornose and Grooved 2 Bornose profile designs are very popular and ideally named by how they look. They feature a simple groove, or two, to give them a modern touch on a simple Bornose design. The Lamb's Tongue 2 is a sleek skirting board design that fits many surroundings. This design is a modern take on a traditional profile. The traditional version of the Lamb's Tongue design is also popular within the UK. It is a skirting board that is easy to keep clean, which is always a plus point when it comes to skirting boards. Traditional and detailed designs. If it's a detailed piece of skirting that you're after, our reeded profile designs might take your fancy. For example, the reeded 3 features 3 curves at the top of the profile which flow parallel to one another. This profile design goes well with a tall skirting board. And that concludes our video. Hopefully you found it insightful and useful, and until next time, we will see you in our next video.